how does science evolve in this timeline? With African states funding exploration and scholarship, astronomy flourishes in Cairo and Lagos. The steam engine isn't pioneered in Britain, but in Senegal's river trade. Industrial revolutions begin in Africa, spreading northward. By the 1800s, Berlin is a provincial outpost, while Accra rivals London's place in our real timeline as a capital of empire.
Schengen is replaced by the Ouagadougou Union.
Fast forward, world wars erupt not from Berlin and Paris, but from African rivalries spilling into Europe. European independence movements mirror African liberation struggles of our timeline. The Cold War? It's a battle between African blocs and Asian superpowers, while a fragmented Europe seeks patronage, foreign aid, and development loans from the South. Power is permanently inverted.